Hello, welcome back with the last two Sudokus, two Tectonic number 1 and Tectonic number 2, in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. We have here Tectonic number 1, a 1-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. This will be a number 1630. Alright, and the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always the 1. That means that these two boxes surround 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those two numbers left are for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These three boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. Then. Yeah. These two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. This triple box, yes. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1 or 3, cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left, 2 digits left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5. 1 or 3. This box should be also 1 or 3 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 or 3. I need more numbers here. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. And then yeah. 2, 3 or 4 should be here. Alright, I'm thinking. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here or there, yes. 2, 4. Can be a 5, so this box can be a 5, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, so it's 1 or 3 again. 1, 3, 1, 3. So the 5 should be in one of these two boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 5. The 5 should be in those two boxes. Yes. Let me see. The difficult part is this. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 4. How about 1, 2, 3 or 4? Yes, 3 or 4. The 1, the 2, 4, 4. If it's a 2, I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, those two boxes cannot be a 2, and this box cannot be a 2. So it must be a 4 here, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here, those two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left, we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left, let me mark them. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 4 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 1. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 here. No. I need to wait here. Yeah. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. That means that I cannot place a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Because if I place the 3 there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So now we have the 4 and the 5 are left. I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 there. So the 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3, 1 and the 4 are left. The 4 cannot be here, so the 4 could be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Definitely a 1. We have a pair here, the 4 and the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 4 or a 3 because I need a 4 and a 3 there. This box can also not be 2 or 5 because I need a 2 and a 5 there. So no 2 and 5, no 3 and a 4, so 1 digit left should be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 there. And I've eliminated the 1 as the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 and a 3, alright. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3, this should be the 3, and this should be a 1. 2 and a 5, alright, we have a 4 here, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. We have a 4 here. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in these 2 boxes. And I cannot place a 4 here in this quadra box. If I place a 4 here, I need a 4 in one of those 4 boxes. So the 4 should be here. I think this should be a 5 because all other numbers I cannot place. Suppose it's a 1. I cannot place a 1 then. A 2, I cannot place a 2 there. 3, we have a 3 here, so 4, I cannot place a 4 there. I need a 4 in one of those 4 boxes, so it definitely a 5. 1 and a 2 are left. Oh, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 4 and a 5. Yes, 4 and a 5. 1 digit left should be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. I need a 1 also here. Let me think. 1 or 4, 1 or 4. I need a 2 here. Let me see. 4, 5, 2, 5. Well, we have a 5 here. That means I cannot place a 5 there. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 5. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 2. 1, 2. 1 could be here. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. almost finished. This is the difficult part. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 1 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes and there. 1 box left should be the 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore, this should be the 1, and this should be a 4. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore, this should be a 2, and this should be a 5. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore, this should be the 2. 2 digits left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And if I eliminated the 3 should be there. And 1 digit left should be the 1. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great. Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last Tectonic, a Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.